Oh my God, look who is coming in at DS Food Palace for a champion breakfast. The man himself, Uncle Kylo. Uncle Kylo, how are you doing, man? Welcome to DS Food Palace.
Yes, I'm good. Thank you. Champion breakfast at DS Food Palace, Caroni Savannah Road. We have here curry stewed chicken, curry layers, curry duck, curry goat, curry peas and same, and spinach. We have some sada roti, coffee to wash it down, and a slice of marble cake on the side. Talk now. Let's see how this goes. Wow, lots of food here. It's a fusion of taste here. Very tasty, delicious. Coffee to wash it down. Must have a taste of this marble cake. Sweet and tasty. More coffee. Going on good. Good food. Champion breakfast, lunch and dinner. 9 p.m. Champion breakfast, lunch and dinner. 4:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Saturday.